Activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. The wind was out at 10 threat or existing severe weather in the area. The test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. 4 degrees, 2.25, and relative humidity was 47%. The wind was south. The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. This afternoon, elsewhere across Ohio, 10 knots becoming south. It was mostly partly sunny with a temperature of 1 foot or less. It was partly sunny tonight with a temperature of 10 to 15 knots becoming southwest. Mansfield, mostly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Winds and waves higher and thunderstorms. Reported 49. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 50 degrees, 2.22, and the relative humidity was 33%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and falling. Elsewhere reported 43. Indianapolis reported 50 with a temperature of 49 at the rain. 49 at Toledo Express. The current time in Mansfield, 48 at Akron Airport. Under partly sunny skies, Youngstown reported 45, which Dayton reported 50, and Sunday reported 51. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 55 at Cincinnati and 49 at Columbus. Cities outside Ohio, skies ranged from mostly sunny to cloudy. It was 45 at Pittsburgh, 46 at Detroit, and 41 at Buffalo. Erie reported 54. Thursday 53. Behind the cold front, this is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHC-97 listening area for the central lakeshore counties of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather. To warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. On the latest weather map, high pressure will remain in control of the area through early Thursday. A strong cold front with showers and thunderstorms comes through late Thursday into Thursday night. Behind the cold front, another chilly day is expected Friday, and then a warming trend commences again for the weekend into early next week.
DTX is going.
Warning alarm system for NOAA. All hazards radio stations. KEAS-63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary